Guys, once you turn on your semi bot or ninja chart, if there is some error like this, once you turn on and in control panel you enable strategy and you see this kind of error, you need to do two things. First of all, click on OK. You need to right click, remove, and then right click and enable it again. Go to Trade with Raja bot version 2, and here you need to just select our YouTube demo account, click on apply and click on OK. Once you click on OK, that error will be removed. It's mean there is possible two reason. One is maybe you didn't remove your strategy here, or your bot is not yet active, or your trial is expired. So let me now, I will turn on my, I will extend that machine ID. So once we will turn on, it will show you again. Hold on 1 second. Now what you will do here, just right click strategy, and once you will enable it, you will see apply. OK. And if you cannot see any button here, just click on that section and click on chart trader. You will see your bot is on now and it start working. Thank you so much. Bye.